Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add shortcuts for different symbols in Excel. It is an important skill to have, especially if you are frequently using symbols like Greek letters. So let's get started. First we will insert a Greek symbols using Insert tab. For that, navigate to the Insert tab and click on Symbols. Here you will find a list of all the symbols that you can insert. Select the symbols that you want to create a shortcut for. Let's take the Greek letter delta, click on Insert and then close the dialog box. The delta symbol will now be inserted into the spreadsheet. Now copy this symbol. Make sure to only copy the symbol itself and not the entire cell. Next, go to the File tab and select Options. From the left-hand menu, choose Proofing and click on Autocorrect Options. In the Autocorrect dialog box, make sure to check the box Replace text as you type. Now in the Replace field, type the shortcut you want to use. Let's write delta for this example. In the With field, paste the delta symbol that you have already copied. Now add to save your new autocorrect entry. Here you can also see all of your shortcuts listed in the autocorrect dialog box. Click OK to save your changes. Now to test your shortcut, go to the cell where you want to insert the symbol and type in the shortcut you have assigned. Then hit the spacebar to recognize your shortcut as a separate word. It will convert your shortcut into corresponding symbol. If the symbol does not appear, make sure that the shortcut is correctly typed and the autocorrect feature is turned on. Repeat the process for any symbols or Greek letter that you want to add. And that's it. This skill will save your time and increase your productivity while working with symbols in Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.